going to be installing a exhaust system on a 2020 Civic Si. It's my son's. He wanted to upgrade the exhaust system, so he went out and he bought a Yonaka motorsports exhaust system. We're going to get a before clip and an after clip and some of the installation, and we'll see if it's worth the money. Also, this is what it looks like. I just unboxed it. Comes with some swag right here. Comes with a t-shirt, lanyard, sticker, hat, and then the exhaust right here. Got the tri-tip right there. Looks pretty good. And then got the resonator. Looks pretty nice. The welds are pretty nice. Hopefully it sounds as good as it looks. We'll find out. Here we go.
All right, so I'm under here. Looks like this job's pretty straightforward. You got 3 bolts up here holding the main exhaust flange on. A couple rubber hangers here. A couple rubber hangers back there. This exhaust should just fall, I hope. Well, let's find out.
All right, so I just got the exhaust out. It took me about 20-25 minutes to get it out by myself. Not that bad. Like I said, you got 3 bolts right up here. Got 1 hanger right there. You get back, you got several hangers back here. 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, a couple there. Now, on the very last one, I used a zip tie to hold it up so that way it was easier to get this other one off, so that way it didn't follow me. You can do what you want to do, but now it's time to get the other one installed. Let's see how this goes. All right, now what I've done is I've taken the old exhaust, pulled it out, laid it down. Now I got the new exhaust right next to it. I'm going to line everything up like the stock exhaust, bolt it all up, and start putting it in place. All right, one thing I ran into with this kit is that the flange on the new exhaust is a lot thicker than the old exhaust. So what you got to do is you have to knock out these old welded in studs, so that way you can run in your new bolts, which are longer, that'll hold the new flange. To do that, you have to take off the front oil pan tray, drop everything down, unbolt it up here. I don't know if you can see this or not. Unbolt it from up there and then fish it up and through that hole all the way up through the front. And then when you get done, you're gonna have to fish it all the way back up and through, and then bolt everything up like it needs to be. All right, so there it is. If you ask me, it's a little bit more deeper sound. Sounds okay. Not really worth the price to me if you're looking for what the kids nowadays normally are looking for, but it is what it is. He got a good deal on it, and I hope he's happy with it.